How's everybody this morning?
Thankful I have electricity. We lost, there was a storm yesterday, and we lost power about 4 o'clock. It didn't get turned back on until about nearly midnight.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, some equipment got damaged in the lightning storm.
That's a long time to be without power.
It was getting hot.
Yeah. All right, guys, as always before, no, I'm not logging into multiple accounts because of the issues I've been having the last 4 or 5 days. Traded Tradify accounts this morning, and I took this long right here, and I hit target 1 and target 2. So it's kind of weird. I got slipped a little bit on this side. Actually, yeah, I got slipped on this side. So I'm not at target in those accounts, so I'm gonna trade till I get to $200 and then I'll rotate them. Today should be a fairly good day of trading. So we'll see what it does here. It came down here and you guys can see these sell blocks. Go back into them, right? And as we push down, you got another one here. We're in that one now. So, which that was a previous buy block. So I'm curious to see, do we find orders to push us out of here? This says maybe we pull back. And I honestly want to pull back 50%. Find support and then push price higher. Or find buyers and then push price higher. That's what I'm looking for this morning on this move. It looks pretty clean for a pretty good setup. Do we sweep this high though? Like, do we take it out before it goes? We go up a little bit and then down and then back up again. So this is our zone again for the long. It could even push down and sweep and then come back up. So we'll be patient here. See what the market does here to open. If it just takes off, we may entertain it depending on what it looks like. That's the inside target for right now. Even if it wants to go short, if we look, right? Let me do something here so we get a little bit duplicate new window. Let's do something here real quick. I'm just gonna go into indicators. This chart is nothing but just to see what the candles look like so you get a clear view. That's your high and that's your low. So ideally, price wants to pull back to go short. We want it to pull back into the 618 or the 71%. Right now it's at the 38. It could sell off here. Don't get me wrong, it could. If we go off the micro side and it wants to put another leg down, we're at the 618 now, so it could sell off. I'm just showing you this, guys. Okay. So if we want to mark up the micro fib side, this is what it looks like. It's got one more leg down. Here. No worries. But that's what it looks like. I'm just going to put this right over here. Actually, let me name it. I'm just going to put empty chart on it. All right, so yesterday, if I didn't just be big-headed, right? We had a couple of sell signals yesterday, buy signals that would have worked. This morning, I took the buy signal, even though I didn't like it. I thought maybe it was going to give us one more leg down because there's a big support zone down here. And now we're pulling back. We got a market shift up. Let's see what this does. So if we look over here on order flow, we can see buyers, 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 and buyers. They push price up. They got buyers in. They swept them. And then they got the same amount of buyers back in again. So ideally, we get to pull back into these buyers. And we see the market go back up. Or they run them out and then they do it. We're going to have to see. If not, we go back into the sell side. And we hold. That's the love of our trading because we get to do either or. All right. Sorry about that, guys.
Recording in progress.
We're going to record this morning. So those of you that like the market shift, market shift's an indicator. I just updated the take profit stop loss, right? So it draws the box, the squares, you know, depending on how you want to trade. A lot of information on this candle, right? And you can change this. Right now it's at 100 ticks. So if you take a trade, you're looking to get 100 tick take profit, which is, you know, $50. $49.50, right? This is more for the guy that likes to scalp. So basically, if we're trading above the market shift, meaning the market shifted in that direction, it's going to give you an entry with the buy signal, take profit, and stop loss. And you can adjust these to whatever you want. You can go 1-to-1, trade more contracts, less of a move. You can go the full 100 ticks. So in the market shift indicator, you can go right here and say, I don't know, let's just do this. Let's go 100 tick stop loss, and I only had a 40 tick stop loss there. And let's go 40 ticks. Just be, whatever. So now you got a little bit bigger stop loss because you're trading the lows, but you're going to hit your take profit a lot faster, right? So you're in here, take profit, and you're just scalping. So, here's the sell side. You get in, it pushes up, boom, it hits take profit. Here is a buy signal. You get in, you hit take profit. You get in at the close of this bar. On the sell side, you'll hit take profit. Actually, the sell was up here. So I think, this is for the guy that wants to scalp. We'll probably look at this a little bit today to, get in and out of trades. You're going to take a lot more trades. You're going to have a lot more fees. So I still think that if you took this buy and you got stopped out, or you got a sell signal and you went the other side of it, I still think if you went in one contract here, you do 2 contracts here. So you make your money back, and then you make a little bit more if you stay in it, or you're times 2 what you lost. So it's kind of cool, right? It's different. This is a prime example of chop, right? So if you got in a buy, you hit take profit. If you got in a sell, you hit take profit. If you got in a buy, you hit take profit. Over here, if you got into the sell right there, you hit take profit. So that's a W, 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 W. I'm going through it too fast. We'll go to the next set of trades. All right, let's look here. All right, so you got a buy here. It says take profits here. Stop loss was here. We hit take profit there. Here it says you had a sell here to close to that bar. So you're in and you hit take profit immediately. Your entries are not going to be like dead on where those take profits and stop losses are. They're going to be a little bit different, but because you're doing a market order, you got a buy right there and you got stopped out. You got a sell. It came in right here. Then you got take profit. You got a long. It came in right here. I don't know if this wick went up to that or not. If not, you got stopped out. You got a short here and that hit take profit. So even if you lose one and you get back in on the other side, you win that 2 because you're times 2 versus 1. Or if you're trading 2, you're going to 4. So same deal. I shorten up this. So the take profit, guys, check this out. This is the love of this, right? It's not about getting all the money at one. You're $20. Here you're $40 or $50, right? But if you get the signal before then, you're getting out around 20 or 30 bucks. So it's almost 1-to-1. Or you can make it 1-to-1. If you wanted to go 40-40 or 20-20, or I don't know that I would go 20. 20 ticks too tight on the M&Q. But again here, right? Long, hit take profit. Stop loss, hit take, or short took profit. Here took profit. Now, when you're doing this, you got to remember that you're doing this to get in, get out. That's what you're doing it for. Okay? This big run, you got to let it go. You got to wait for your next signal and say, okay, I'm going to take it. I'm in, whether you agree with it or not, that's what this is for. So right there would have been a short for $20, right? There would have been a long. This is a lot easier for somebody to follow versus trying to stay in a big trade. We're trying to say, okay, we're going to take a short. We're going to run down even more. So can you get a little bit more if you can go do the averages? And I can, once I get enough data in here, I can do the averages to figure out Do we want to run 60 ticks? Do we want to run 70 ticks? Do we want to run 80 ticks? But this is for somebody that says, hey, I'm going to come in and I'm just going to take the small meat off the tree or the small fruit off the tree, and I'm good with that. Now, I'm going to point something out before we get started. We got 10 minutes. Let me go to NASDAQ. I'm going to paint this picture for you. And I probably shouldn't, right? But I'm going to. NASDAQ, that is a $200 move. Each one of those is $200. Okay? So if you go back, I don't think anybody's up at this time in the morning. So we'll skip the times that we don't trade and go to the times that we do trade. That only makes sense, right? If you want to get a true, that's PM Dan. Oh, that's today, isn't it? Yeah, this is today because that's where price is at right now. All right. I didn't go back far enough. We'll make this quick. The regular market shift is there. This is the market shift 2026. It had take profits and stop losses on it before. All I did was change it to the boxes. So you can actually see what price is doing. So here at the open, you wouldn't have all these at one time. So they'll print and then the next one will print. I might add in there to show past trades with a box where you could check them to go back and back test it. And then add a box where when you uncheck this, it takes them off your... It takes it off your screen. That way it doesn't keep, clobbering your screen up. But anyways, if you took the short, that's $200. If you took that long, that's $200, right? We didn't hit the stop. Okay, this isn't supposed to do this, so I need to code this back in. It's not supposed to give you another signal if you're still in a trade. So, you would still be in this. Maybe you close this out and go into a short. I'm not sure. But if you took this buy right here, you hit take profit. Let me look. There's a sell there. You hit take profit right there. So that would be $200, $200, and $200. That's somebody's weekly pay right there, right? $600 a week. I'm gonna go in and change this real fast. It won't take me very long to do. I'll do it here this morning while we're doing it. But anyways, so that would have been a big day, right? And then if you follow the rest of the day, let's just look. Price pushes down. We get a buy signal. Hold on a second. We get a buy signal. You're in right there. You still hit take profit. Right here, you're in at the close of this bar. You hit take profit. So there's $400 more between those two trades. You get a buy signal here. The next candle, I don't know if that wicks you out first or if that pushes up. If it pushes up, you win. If it pushed down first, you got wicked out and you lost that trade. Yep. Only way to know that is go back to retest. Play replay. Here's a sell that you would be in. We didn't hit take profit, got stopped out. That's the first real losing trade that we can physically see. Now that's a $500 stop loss, I believe. Yep, $500 stop loss. So you got to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room if you're going to do this. On NQ, if you do it on M and Q, it's not so bad. So this gets a buy signal. You're going to take a long. You hit take profit. That's another $200 with a lot more on the table there. This one had a lot more on the table as well. But again, you're not in it for that. If you're going to trade this, you're in it for the short move, or you adjust the stop loss and take profit to trade it the way you want to. So I think you guys can see this. That hit take profit. That one hit take profit. That one hit take profit. Here's a buy. That one hit take profit. Here's a sell. That one hit take profit. Here's a long. There's no wicks to the downside. That hit take profit. There's a short. That one got stopped out. Here's a long. That one got stopped out. Here's a short. That one hit take profit and then gave you a lot more. Yeah, I think you guys get the picture, right? Let me open this up. I already have the code here. All right, it's gonna fix it now. All right, anyways, while that's doing it, let's get started here. A pretty cool indicator, guys. We've got 2 minutes before the open. We are only going to take signals this morning.
Morning, Dan.
It looks like we tapped this box, but we didn't, and we got to push up. And if you took a sell there, you got stopped out there.
Morning, Dan.
I wouldn't be doing that right now. It's too close to the open.
Can you hear me?
Morning, Daniel.
Yeah, morning. Did you manage to get your cache fixed?
Did I get what?
Did you look into your cache and you know your issues?
I did not go into the cache. What I did was I deleted a lot of my charts so I could have less charts open. I had multiple order flows open, so I'm going to start there first. This morning, I've already traded the TPT accounts with no issues. So right now, I'm just logged into TPT right now by itself. So I want to see if I get issues with them. That will narrow this down.
You reckon you could show me how to do that at some point?
Yeah, you don't have TPT accounts, do you?
No. I'm using Apex at the moment, which I wish I never bought.
Yeah, I'm going to switch over to Apex right after I hit target here. All right, markets are open, guys. Big old gaps here in the spread. Pump up the jam. Big old rejection in that supply, guys. I think we come down more. We will wait. $860 buyers. Are they real? Taking out that rejection wick. No trade, man. I wanted to come down further, guys. We're breaking out, guys. Now, here's where you either want to be part of that party, 3,000 contracts, or you don't. That was a bunch of stop losses there got taken out, guys. We're going to retrace back down. He just took that wick out, guys. It's holding right now. So far, no lag this morning. No lag at all. I am in TPT accounts this morning. Looks like we're coming back into that 390 area here. 390, 380. We're waiting, guys. So this buy signal was an ABC swing, as you guys see. We popped up. We didn't quite get up to the... Here we go, guys. I'm in this long.
Order submitted.
I got to buy with these buyers, guys. Just, we pull back into them.
Order
Boom.
filled.
Let's go. Let's go. I got to buy with them. Stops in profit. Let's see if we can get it. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Incredible. Anybody in the trade?
Order.
Booyah! We got them, guys. 237 on the day. That was a sweet trade. I was waiting to see if they were going to retest these buyers. They did. Guys, we wanted to retest down here. Remember, they poked their nose in here. So they already got the buyers here, right? On that ABC swing. The extension was higher. Pretty easy read this morning, right? The extension was higher. This was the extension. They went up like they were going to get the extension, and they pulled back into that C phase again. So now we had the ABC, and I'm like, okay, well, we pull back into this. What was resistance came to report, and these buyers came in. There was 1,000 buyers when we got right here, and we took that trade. It was like crazy. Now there's 2,300 in it. And it just boomed real quick. Real quick. The only thing is sad is I wasn't on NASDAQ. That would have been a lot of money. But nonetheless, I pulled 235 out now and pulled 235 in profits. There's those. So right now, guys, I'm doing this test live, even on YouTube right now. TPT had 0 lag. 0 lag. Okay? I had 0 lag this morning. I'm going to change accounts right now.
Okay, so you're going to switch to Apex.
I'm disconnecting. And I'm going to Apex right now. I'm not even logged into my live data. Okay?
Well, I noticed as soon as I took that trade, it stayed yellow, and I had to go down the list on the Replicano and actually close them down individually. So that's why I've got mixed figures.
Yeah, I read your message from the AI saying that you don't want to trade your Apexes with the trade copier with Replicano.
Yeah.
All right, I'm logged in. We're loading up. I'm waiting. We are now trading the Apex accounts. So what I'm going to do on the Replicano is I'm only going to trade I should be able to trade more, but I'm not going to. Guys, TD Box had a nice breakout of this. Look at this. Give me a second here, guys. We'll get going. I'm just hooking this up. Market's starting to open up, guys. Look at all these buyers taking out these sellers that we're selling today. All right, I got trade copier to 1. Let's see what happens here, guys. So far, price is holding 451, 441, 442, 438. I'm good on the data right now. Pulling back, 900 contracts. That's nothing to shake a stick out, guys. When you get into the thousands, that's a pretty good sell. We're coming back to the 0 line. Pay attention to the swing, guys. Coming back to the 0 line. Does he get a rejection? 1,700. There's some contracts being taken here. Some profits being taken. How did the signal ones? Yeah, so I fixed it. Now it's only showing one trade until it gets another trade. So I had a buy here and a hit take profit there, but it could have got a lot more right at the open. So now it's just waiting for a new signal. Once it gets a new signal, this one will go away and the new one will show up. Yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Here they come in again. They're buying them right back. I would have to take this trade with them.
Order submitted.
Looking to sweep the high. Looking to sweep the high. Can we get it? I'm trading order flow, not the signal. The signal's already long. Come on. Come on, get in the 460s. I'm looking at Replicano right now. Let's see. I'm still green. It didn't turn yellow. Starting to go into the chop, guys. This is a 300K account. I may add to this if it pushes down. And they came in heavy. Now we're back to we're 500. We were at 1,000 sellers. So they're absorbing the sellers here. That's what's going on. So, come on, baby. Come on, get into the 60s here, man. This is my second trade this morning. First trade was a banger. Can we get a push into 460s? Come on already. There we go. We're flipping positive on the Delta. It's trying so hard. I'm going to add to this.
Order submitted.
I'm in. Come on, give me that $100, guys. Come on, give me the 60s. Let's go. Sweep these wicks. Holy crap, man. Bang through it. Come on, man.
Target.
I took 3 off. I'm in 1. It's just keeps rejecting, guys. I don't like it. That's when it goes, right? As soon as I get out, it will go. Got my stop right here. This is that red box. That is your supply zone. We're trying to get in there. The sellers keep whacking us every time we step in here. We went from 1,000 to negative 1,000 back to 200 contracts positive in this upper area. Can they buy it through? We're looking at these numbers right here. We open slightly lower. Let's see what we get. Come on, punk. All right, guys. I think we're probably going to end up pulling back.
Target.
I'm just going to get out here. I got some money on one and break even on the other. That new 5-minute bar. I really wanted to see that 5-minute bar push through. It didn't do it. I'm out. I'm out. Now it's probably going to come down and find some more buyers and push up. The only way I would want to short it is if the market shift pushed up and it gave us a nice clean setup. It has to be clean. I'm down at 403 so far. Apex is holding data this morning on one account. Are we going to get down to 28,800? I hope. I don't know. I hope not. I hope it stays up. Pushing back into this buy where they were buying here. Let's see what they do. They got trapped buyers in here right now. We're back up to 2,600 negative contracts in the market. Are they going to hold the shorts and push them? Are they going to roll it? I don't know. Let me look at the market shift. It should have shifted up if that's the case. I got it on 25.
And are you running your copy trade thing, or you're not bothering?
I only ran one copy on one account. It worked so far.
I've just done it, and it's just took multiple accounts and wouldn't shut out.
All right, guys. We're going to get a sell signal here. Possibly. I would really like to see it break down and then retest to go. This could still end up in chop right here, so just know that. There's a short. Are you going to, is this something you want to entertain? You got 3,900 contracts. Are they pushing it down to find more buyers to rip them off? Or are the sellers really going to take control? That's what you got to ask yourself right now. Are the sellers really going to take control? Or are they just pushing down to find buying contracts in order to put their orders in because they need to get more sellers in to get their sides in? I honestly don't care what it does. I'm just looking for the next setup here. I think we're going to sweep down, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take this one here. See if we can take out this low here. Which one is that? Okay. Gonna move my stop up out of the way here. This is tricky. This could go right back up. We're in a C phase.
Order target filled.
There's one. Still can't do it. We swept the low here, guys. I'm going to bring this stop down. I don't like this play. It's probably going to take me out. There we go. Tightening up.
Stop filled.
Yeah. That could turn into one hell of a sell. We now got 1,800 contracts in there. Let's see if it really punches down and comes into that white line. I don't know if it happens, guys. I just don't know. Here it comes. Now it's just drilling down. Oh, go figure. Let's see if these overhead offers coming in are going to do anything. So far, no lag on Apex this morning. Trading one account at a time. Looking at these buyers stepping right back in right here, that blue dot, in balance. Let's copy to another account here. It's weird because I copied to 369. Coming back into these buyers. We're going to find buyers here. We are, guys. We're finding buyers. We could probably push back up into 420, 440. They're holding. They got the buyers in. Look, they're taking them out. I'm going to take this short, guys. I'm in.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Get a runner here.
Submitted. Order
Come on. Can we keep going? Whoa.
Order submitted. Submitted. Order.
Man. Come on. Hit it. Come on. Come and sweep the low. Look at that, guys. They took all the buyers out. We're down to 73. There were 600 there. Can we run their stops more? Please, just give me a hard push here. Wow.
Target filled.
There it is. All right, stops down in profit after taking the first one off. Let's see if we can get a runner on this one. We're looking to sweep this low right here. Get that $84 if we can. That's 30 points. I'm going to get taken out here. All right, here we go. They're coming in heavy. Let's see. Stops in profit. Maybe too tight. Yeah, too tight. That blue dot is right there, so I was using that as a reference for my stop, but they just popped right back to it. All right, let's sit tight. The two sells work. The buy works. We're copying the PAs now. Are we going to go into an inversion here? They're really holding this like they want to. So now we have buy zone down here, right? This green box is an OB, okay? They're holding this area. Your seller box is here, so supply is here. Demand is here. We're going to push down into this demand and then go back into the supply. They've already did it here. And now this was demand. Now we're banging against it. It could end up being supply and we break through this if we just keep grabbing sellers right here. That's this box right here. I think they're going to swipe down, swipe up. They're squeezing price here pretty good. The squeezy is real. Got the 4-hour close here, guys. 4-hour close. Here's a pump, 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 pump it up. Can we get back above it? Look at this right here. What do we got? Sellers are being absorbed by the buyers. Are we going to rip higher? Big extension coming? Probably. Awesome. We're still inside this low and high range. So this is the zone, and now we have a zone here. So we're tightening up. Remember, the squeeze is real, guys. The squeeze is real. Picking up sellers here. Market shifts down, and we're going to trade lower. Here we go again, guys. I'm going to take this short at the low here.
Submitted.
See if they can follow through. I mean, this is a long box. I probably have no business going short here. I'm looking to get below the market shift here. 730 sellers. Are they going to continue, or are they going to get bounced out of here? It actually did sweep it. This is shitty on my part right here. They take out this 420 area, it's going to be bad. This red zone right here, I want to hold this. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, just sweep these guys out of here. Sweep these guys out of here, baby. 430. They are definitely getting people here comfortable in the shorts here. That's usually when they take their shorts off and they run them out. All right, guys. I may just kill this and flip this long. I'm out. I don't like the way they behave here, so small loss there. Watch it come now that I got out. Yeah, here it comes. I knew I was right. There's the sweep. Damn it, Dan. You had more patience, son. More patience, Dan. I gotta have more patience. More patience, more patience, more patience. I took off a winning trade. See if it holds here. New 5-minute bar. I think they're starting to get the guys in here in the squeeze for the short. And then they're going to run it up. And then everybody's going to get taken out. And then they're going to roll it right back down. Let's see what they do here. Here comes the buyers. Do you want to entertain that? I think we have a long into 420, guys. I'm going to do it.
Order submitted.
420? Or do I get chopped up? Now are they going to rip it down on me? And not even get to 420? Come on. This block's holding us, guys. That's a retest of this block. I wanted to get up to this one. Can we? If not, I'm going short long. I'll be going short heavy here. All right, we're getting squeezed again. Come on. I would expect them to get up into these lows up here, right? Or these highs. These wicks right here. I would expect them to come up and get this liquidity before they short it. Unless they're just going to push into here, come down, take everybody out, and then go back up. If we break the low here, though, it goes to a measured move. So I'm about to close out again. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm short.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Give me the breakdown. Come on. Man, I cannot get the... I think we get the 400 on the pullback. I think I just screwed myself royally. I did. I screwed myself. All right. Guys, this is what chop looks like. This is how you get screwed up. This is how you get screwed up. Look at this shit. No follow through. Here it goes now. Here's that long we were looking for. Look at this. They're 784 after pushing down. They go 1,000 contracts down and then right back up 1,000. And freaking insane, man. There it goes, right to 400. 400 and 420. And I'm watching it. I already knew you were going to go back up here. Sellers are getting absorbed here. I'm back in again.
Order
To hell with
submitted.
it. There's 400.
Order
We're going to
canceled.
420.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I hit my daily stop on one account. All right, so guys, this was my lift here, right? So the idea was they were going to hit 400, they're going to hit 420, and then they're going to sweep the lows. They came down, swept it. They got here like they were going to reject it, reject it, reject it, reject it, and now they're back up here, rejection again. They chased me out of the trade twice here, and I was right. Insane.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is not going to be good. Sellers are being absorbed. Let's see. I don't know. Right to my first 5 and couldn't even hit it.
Target filled.
Well, chop, be chop, chop. Oh, man. All right, well, I'm getting hammered here, guys. Sellers are picking this thing up. Bunch of garbage, guys.
Order filled.
DC8 in. I'm in 2 contracts. They're going to sweep this, yeah. Garbage trading, guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
looking to get out of this. 3 contracts. I need to bounce out of this bottom here. This is a buy zone. This is a demand zone. It may not work. It may just push through it and come down to this one, which is the low. I need some kind of little bounce back up. Come on, rat bag. I probably added too fast to it, too quick. Trendline liquidity here. We're going to break through this and go into a bear move. Yeah, it's possible. I'm going to hit this again.
Order filled. Order
One
filled.
more. Take the majority off right there. Come on. Give me the bounce. Give me trendline liquidity bounce. I don't want to see them push down into this low down here. Not with 5 contracts on. I just need a little bounce back into the C phase and then they can drop it. Come on. The sell signal came in already. We're right there. Market maker move says they sweep it. Guys, they're gonna kill this. Let's see if I get the bounce now. Five contracts. And now they're really like picking the red up. Look at this. The red is dead, guys. The red, we're gonna try and take out this demand zone. I think they're gonna do it. And I think I'm screwed here. I think we probably need to be in a short. That just swept that low. It's coming for this yellow line. This is short. I'm playing, I need a bounce. I need a bounce, I need a bounce, I need a bounce, and I'm not getting it. There's a new 5 minute. Are they just gonna flush it down now? I need a wick to the upside.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. $1,800. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Wicket. Got him.
Target filled.
Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Is it gonna work? Can I get the, if I hit that 40, I'm good.
Target
Oh
filled.
yeah.
Target filled.
Holy crap, that was scary, guys. Still in 10 contracts, which is one standard lot. All right, I got one really big account blown up here. Nice, $1,300 in profit. I knew they were going to do this. Come down in there, sweep everybody out. I had a big feeling they were going to do this. But now we're tagging this block. Order block. That's where the sellers are holding price now. We're trying to get back up to here. Can we invert this one and go? I don't know. But I'm going to do the smart thing here.
Order canceled.
I'm going to take off half. Let's see if we can push up here.
Order filled.
I took off half. Let's take off half more.
Order filled.
Then I'm going to put in a bracket order, so I'm still in 2. Let's see if we can get up to this upper block. If we can take these guys out of here. Good grief. Insane. probably going to get taken out of this trade.
Order filled.
I did. All right, rotating. It looks like they're just going to stay choppy, chop, chop.
So maybe it's time to change the indicator to your chop master.
Yeah. You still got a long here.
Order filled.
Are we going to get a breakout coming up?
Target filled.
We're about to get a breakout, guys. Really got to get above 29455. We got that long down here. All right, well, are you a bear or are you a bull? That's what it boils down to, guys. Do you think this market is going up or do you think it's going down? All right, so what we got to do is pay attention here, guys, okay? What we got to do is pay attention here. This bar, this 5-minute bar, was an engulfing candle that took this out. But it did, I don't know if it swept the low. Did it sweep the low? Yes, it swept this low. So now we're pulling back. Are they going to hold 50% of this? If this bar comes down and we get a railroad on this 5-minute bar, there's an idea of short that's going to come into play. Okay? I'm just letting you know. We're going to watch this. Hey, this sold back 100 points. Like nothing. Oh my gosh. NASCrack is on crack today. And not the kind you like. So far, they're holding price. They don't want to take it down, but I think this is the part where they start to take it down. Still holding 50% of the previous bar. Friday, guys, tomorrow is Triple Witching Friday. Expirations expired tomorrow. I have a feeling that's why the market's the way it is today. TPT has 50% off with no activation fee. Just saying. I might buy some more of those orders. I might buy. I think you can have up to 10 if I'm not mistaken, right? Am I right in saying that? Does anybody know? Is On in here? He might be at work today. Let me ask my boss here. Are we going to go short, or are the bulls going to take it? So far, we got an inside 5-minute closure. Right at the 50%. Are we going to blow up out of here? Coming up into the C phase of the ABC swing down here. Let's see what it does. I don't want to be biased. We're still getting a lot of rejections here. Rejections here. These rejections are lower. So ideally, we have liquidity sitting right here. They're trapping liquidity on both sides, and they're trying to cover to get out of here. So let's see what happens. Look at all these sell orders right here. It's all up here. Come on now. Now. Which one? TD Smart Money blocks. That's the one you got on? Yeah. So you can see it right here. So the indicator printed up a sell order block up here. Right here. And a buy order block right here. You have a order block and a fair value gap. We're retesting that fair value gap. Ideally, we get back up into that 450, 540 range. Right? That's an ABC swing. I'm just waiting for it to take place. That's what I'm waiting for. But I don't know if it happens, right? We really got to invert this area. So this doesn't show the block that we're in right now. We're in this sell block, and that's only based off of order flow. So that's not on here, right? So that's this one right here that we've been fighting against. If we come back up here, sellers are being absorbed. We'll probably entertain this long. Absolutely.
Quick question.
Yeah.
So I passed an Apex account and paid the fee, but I've turned my connections on and off, and it doesn't show the account. Have I got to do something else?
It takes a little bit for it to show up. Did you sign your contract?
No.
Yeah, you got to go in there and sign your. So go into your accounts, your PAs, click on it, and go sign your contract. Log into TraderDan. That's where you sign your contract.
Not Apex.
Yeah, on Apex. Yeah, go into Apex into your back office.
Yeah.
Click on accounts and then go down to PAs. It shows you your evaluations and all that. All right, here we go, guys. Are we selling off? Or are we just going to come down and sweep the low and find buyers again?
So I'm in the account and I can't see what am I looking for.
You should get an email as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did get an email, but I've just clicked onto the.
I don't think they give it to you the same day. I think you'll get the email overnight.
Oh yeah, I've got the email this morning because it was one from the other day.
Okay. So, yeah, go click on the left side. Do you see where it says accounts?
Yeah.
Click on it. Then it breaks it down and shows evaluations, PAs.
Yeah.
Click on your PA. If it's not there, it might be the one down below where it gives you your certificate and stuff.
Oh, I see the certificate. Yeah, click on that.
Yeah, there should be a link in there for you to go sign your contract. All right, another rejection, guys, right off this trend line liquidity. If you're bullish, guys, this is a good area for a long, or it's a good area for a short, depending on the way they want to take this. It's very hard, guys. This is very hard trading today. I like the longs here, though.
I found my certificate, but I can't find anything else.
All right, guys, we're gonna punch in along here. What do we want to do?
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, man. Freaking insane, guys.
Target filled.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can they do it? Can they do it, please?
Target filled.
Can we go, please? We'll move one up there, see if we get a runner out of it, guys.
Target filled.
Thank you very much. Booyah! Order flow, baby. We see it. They've been absorbing the sellers. Every time they push down, they find buyers.
Filled.
There we are. I am green in every account today. Anybody take that?
Yep.
Nice. Man, oh man, oh man. All right, one more set of accounts to get into, guys. I don't think I can log into them all at one time. Let me get in the top one here. Let me log out of Apex. I'm at target, guys. 234 in Apex, 234, 234, 234. 233, 235. All right, my man, let's do it. Let me link you up here. 100K account. Some kind of little retracement here would work. Let's see what I got here. All right. I'm going to look for a pop here, guys. They're trying to sell them.
Order submitted.
I'm looking for a pop here. Oh, they are selling them. There's 1,000 contracts now.
Order submitted.
I'm in again. Come on, pop it up here. Pop it up.
Target filled.
It didn't adjust me? No. Covered my fees though. Probably gonna get some kind of pullback here. Break out, bitch. Let's go. There we go. Come on. There they are. They're sucking up them sellers now. Give me a turkey. Give me a turkey. Oh, I know what chart you were talking about.
Target filled.
All right, there's 2 off, guys. I should have held those other ones a little longer. Should have, would have, could have for dreamers. We're not dreamers, we're doers. Let's get it done. Yes, you were talking about the one that, this chart, that's the one you were referring to, right? We are in the zone now for the breakout. Guys, this blue area is the breakout zone. Normally. We are into a midpoint area though. So this is my gray box. This was my pullback for the target. If they want to short it, they could pick up the shorts here and really run them down if they want to. Just FYI, if you're trading, this is what could happen. That's why my stop's in profit. Wow. Real hard to trade here, guys. Ideally, we can get up to here. Can you do it? We had a 15 SMT over here that pushed price down. This went into the ABC swing here. We pulled back for the macro swing here. Macro event goes higher, but I think they're trying to run everybody out of this. This is probably going to wick right back down into this. Why wouldn't it, right? I need an extension here off of order flow. Here comes my stop run. Probably should just take it off here. Only 200 sellers. Told you. Now it's going to go up. It's alright, you're going to give me another opportunity to just bang out some more money.
Order submitted.
There it goes again, guys. It's going to pop.
Order submitted.
Let's get a pop out of here.
Target filled.
Let's get a pop out of here.
Or target
I
filled.
got the pop. Can we get a runner on it? And, you know, this kind of market is so hard to trade when you go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Every move up, it's got a 40 point retracement. It's just so hard. Alright, well, I'm giving back some money here. Alright, I'm gonna kill this
Order
runner.
filled.
Don't like it. Like, we got nothing, guys. Remember, I told you we got to get above 29,439. I thought we were going to break it. I took it. I got some money. Just a scout. And then I got ran out and I lost a little bit of money there. Look at this, man. Alright, so this may be where they're going to run the shorts down, guys. They be putting the shorts on now. We're coming down to the counter trend line. It's possible. The trend line liquidity's been holding all morning. If you're a bull, this is probably where you're buying, right? This is a C phase, so we should be starting to see some kind of bounce here. Right? Ideally. If they pull this move down, they should get that move back up. If the buyers show up, so far you got 2,400 contracts in this sell, which is half of that 29. You got 1,600. There's 4,000 contracts right there. So you're at half. The idea that this sells off, it's got a potential to do it. All right, guys. Well, what do we got here? What is really taking place here? Still squeezing, guys. They're still squeezing these positions. They're still squeezy. Well, what do we got, guys? We got garbage. That's what we got. Range-bound market between the high and low. Just kind of swept the high here. Pulling back again. Now what? We're going to play the game here. You want to play the pitch and catch game where you just scalp the markets. I mean, that's kind of the market we're in right now. Get in and get out, get in and get out, and that's pretty much it. Rips is down what? 57,000. That's a big loss, man. He's a good trader though. He'll make it back. Today's not a day to definitely size up, that is for sure. Here we go, guys, with the whole fake out thing, man. WTF, guys. What the wonkers? Are we long or are we short? So far it's starting to show short. There's a sell signal. This one probably breaks down. I would just have to guess that this one's going to break down into this box. If I had to guess... If I had to guess, that's probably what happens, right? This probably starts to pick up some more sellers. I really like to see it just take off and go up, but man, there's a lot of liquidity here on the sell side. They need that liquidity in order to move the market. $29, $260, $240 area would be the swing low. I already got it marked up. I marked it up over here. This one is a big one. Oh, I didn't mark it up. Yeah, I did. Well, I didn't come down low enough with it on the other one. So 260, 240, yeah. Take out this yellow line. Just don't know, man. They don't want to give it up. I think you're going to pick up some sellers here, guys. They're getting aggressive here. Let's see what they do. Back in the red again. I don't know if I trust this, but this is definitely showing a sell here, guys. I think we chase this wick and then we pick up more sellers and we push down. Range, guys. Coming at the close of the hour here at 9 o'clock in the morning, my time, Mountain Standard Time. For the most part, we are green today, but man, it was work. Look at this, man. Coming to take these sellers out again. Good grief, man. $8.75. And it's not clean. You got sellers in there, but they're buying. Their blue dot, yellow dot means they're fighting over this candle. Gonna push back up to 420. Do they find sellers at 420 or do they punch through? Oh, wow. Blew right through it, guys, with buyers again. Did somebody just tweet or something here or what? Oh, man. Wow. Got a little bite here. 2,200. That's double the contracts again. I'm in that long. Let's see. That could be somebody to rip somebody off and go the other direction. We're right up there at that. What did I tell you? We need to close above 29,435, 437 area. We're right there. We'll see if they can get this long.
Order submitted.
I'm going to add here if it gets filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, that got me in again. Let's see if that was just a news thing that pushed us up to get us freaking fried out of here. Yeah, that might have just been news there. Yeah, it was some news came out. I would expect to just pull back again. Wow, guys. Look at this. They're taking it all back. There's the suck-in to get the news guys. Or they use that news to get everybody in the long. And now they're taking everybody out. I'm out.
Order filled.
This is crazy, man. Another 1,700 contracts coming. Guys, you can't trade this shit. I mean, you cannot. Not unless you're going to trade with like a 400-point stop. Or take the little leaps and bounds and get in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Insane. Right back down again. That is a big ass rejection. No breakout, no follow through. This might be the range break right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
You can't trade this garbage, man. Well, we're shifting down again on the market shift. It looks like this thing's going to shift lower, guys. Bottom of the range here, you're looking for a long unless this actually breaks out and goes. I think it's got to sweep some lows in order. I think the market's exhausted. So I'm going to take this one and see. That little pump up there squeezed everybody into the long, and now they're selling it off. One just came off. I'm in 4 contracts. Let's see what we can pull out here. Yeah, I'm copied into the counts. And only into 1. Market is crazy. Look at this shit, man. Can't even get down into this box here. We're coming to this box, guys. All they need is 500 more sellers, and they got it. I'm going to cover one here at 330. A lot of liquidity down here at 330 through 331, 310. Look at this shit. We're going to shoot right back up again. Got no follow through. Guys, I think we're in a scalping market. In and out, in and out, in and out. I'm going to cover out and get out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to get out. Break even there. $141 in that account. Not much. I did lose some money, but I just made some money back. I'm at 141.50. I was at 235. I think I'm gonna walk away, guys. This market's not. It's choppy. We got triple witching Friday tomorrow. Well, just see what happens here. I think the market's got a good chance to get down to this gray box, take out this yellow line. But it's not just going to elevator down like what we normally see in the NASDAQ. It's not just going to go straight down. It's going to, you know, if you literally look at the markets from the open to where we're at now, so 730, this high and this low, we're stuck between here and here. Here and here. We haven't gone anywhere. Probably doesn't move until this afternoon. Triple witching Fridays tomorrow. We got MOEX week this week. I think that's where MOEX week is where major companies put in orders. Or they take orders off that they've been in for a while. If you look at a regular candle chart, we got an engulfing candle, took out 2 5-minute bars. You would really have to deem that we're going to come down lower. But I think that's what they want everybody to think, guys. Oh, here we go. Another 30 points straight back up. This is insane. This is like truly insane, guys. Oh, Lord. Lord, help us. Chop, chop, chop. Don't get your fingers and hands chopped off playing with this, guys. So now we have a high. We put in a high. We should have pulled back and went. Now we just swept that low of that ABC swing. So now we have an AB here. Are we pulling back to go short? That is the play. Check mark. Can we get a checkmate out of that? We should get a short sell here. Signal. Actually, it was up there, wasn't it? We just retested the entry. Mark is just destroying people's accounts today. Trying to trade it. They don't know when to quit. Google selling off. All right, here it comes again, guys. Ideally, we are on the sell side. Market is really garbage right now. So like if you buy the short, it goes. If you buy this in the bottom of the range, it goes down. You get out, you go short, then it goes long. Then you get out of the long, it goes short. It's like a no-win situation here, right? Without having a bigger stop. I'm going to try this short here, guys. I want to see if they can sweep this down here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
You passed more Apex accounts now, but your Ninja Trader stopped working. Never buying Ninja Trader again. That's probably because you passed all your accounts. This type of market makes you want to get 9 to 5? Miguel, I love you, bro. Yeah, man, it's kind of crazy. Hey, Anna, what is point of control? Is point of control? Are we right at point of control?
I'm not sure. I don't have that chart up right now.
All right, I'll look.
Damn it.
Yep, we are. Point of control is sitting at 29,350. This is why we're holding up here. 29,350. Let's change that to the pink color that I normally trade it. What did I say? 29 what? 29,350. Good grief. Oh, got another sell signal. Can we break these lows here? Buyers trying to buy the trend line liquidity. They're trying to buy it. Let's sweep it.
Target filled.
Uh-oh. Can we do it, big guy?
Target filled. Target filled.
I don't know if I want to trade tomorrow, guys. These guys are going to be moving their stops. They're going to be hedging. They're going to be doing all kinds of stuff tomorrow. I don't understand why we're so choppy today. It makes no sense to me, but especially a day before.
Target filled.
I want to get down to 324, guys. 324. 324.50. We sweep that low. We can see a rejection out of there, out of these boxes. Or they're going to just tumble this down. If you took the short, congratulations. Sounds like people are getting some more money.
This has been a fight.
It has. Up and down, up and down. I went green.
I thought I was going to blow my account.
You thought you were?
Yeah, I was real close, and I chewed my way out of it. Oh my god.
Yeah. So, like, this up here was a great long, but that was news. And then they took it back down. Now we're in this ABC swing. We'll see if we get this runner. But I went back red one account. Green in all accounts. Went back red. Now that red is now green. So I'm in the same boat with you. I thought I was going to pop this one as well. Well, I still had a lot more to go. I had like $1,200 still left. But, yeah. Remember, guys, if you don't trade on a day like this, it's still a green day because you didn't lose any money. You didn't make any money, but it's a green day because you still, you kept your money.
So tomorrow, maybe, if it's going to go crazy like today, maybe we use your scalping indicator.
Yeah, I think so. I think we'll just get in, get the money, get out, and be done. 1 or 2 trades, trade the momentum break, and that's it.
Yeah.
This is not in a hurry to go nowhere. Oh, we can't even get an elevator, like just a 100-point candle. We can't even get it. All right, after this trade, guys, I'm done. What's that?
After 1,500 sitting in the candle, too.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Well, some of these candles have been 2,000 and they didn't go anywhere. 2,400 on the red and we didn't fall. 2,300 on the long and we didn't buy. I mean, we didn't blow up. We didn't turkey out. So this is just, you know, buyers absorb the sellers, sellers absorb the buyers. This is range bound right now. I may just want to get this $91 and get out of here. Here, let's do this. I'll take off half.
Order filled.
Close this out. We'll put in a bracket order.
Submitted.
Let's see what it does. If I get stopped out, guys, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to be done. Here it comes. It's going to take me out, no doubt. Everybody that's trading, retail-wise, is getting stepped on. Market makers are cashing in. Banks are cashing in. Nvidia is at the lows again. They're just gradually walking price down, guys. Gradually walking it down. Tomorrow's going to be a really messed up day.
And I just sent you a message on school.
Oh, did you? All right.
What does that mean? Sorry.
All right, hold on. Go into your manager, your task manager.
Ninja Trader to open.
Huh?
Ninja Trader won't open.
I know. Go into your task manager on your computer.
Task manager at the bar thing. Or just
Yeah, go down to the bottom where it says search and type in task manager.
Task manager. Yeah, found it.
Open that up. Do you got a Ninja Trader in there running? All right, guys, I'm out. This is going to go back up 100 points. What's that, Daniel?
There's something moving in there.
Do you got a Ninja Trader in there?
Yeah.
Close it down.
How do I do that? Just press end task. Click on it and press end
Yep,
task.
end it now or whatever. Click on it and then, turn it off. Delete it.
Okay, that's done something. But
All right, then once you do that, go back into Ninja Trader and reopen it. You're trying to run two processes. You still have one that was open that hasn't shut down. Look at this, guys. Back up. 60 points, 40 points, 30 points. That's crazy. I mean, no follow through on the sells. No follow through on the buys. I mean, we're back in the green. Everything's good. The way I look at it is I should probably just walk the hell away. Tradeify. I'm going to be trading Tradeify accounts, I think, on a regular basis. Look at this, bounce right back up, guys.
done it again, Dan. I've tried it twice and it still keeps coming up.
Maybe you need to just quit for the day.
Yeah, I'm
Or
done. I'm done trading.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, reboot your computer completely.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
probably just reboot it, Daniel, and get it to shut down, and then reopen it after.
Yeah. Okay.
And you were you able to find your contracts and sign them?
I've got the one done. Yeah, I've passed a couple more on Apex, but I'm never going to buy Rhythmic accounts again.
Yeah, this has been so. The feed that I read I think was a lie. I don't think the Rhythmic accounts are even worth messing with anymore. I just want to stay on TraderDan. So I mean, yeah, TraderDan. So, I think I'm gonna focus on my take one profits, my TDY. What are that? Tradeify, sorry, TDY. I'm looking right at it. TDFY. I think I'm gonna focus on those, the Lucid accounts and the TPT accounts. I got past accounts on Apex. I'm still trading them on the PAs, but I just don't know, man. I don't know.
Basically, we need to find what accounts works best with Rhythmic, don't we? Sorry, Replicana.
Yeah, I guess you could get a TradeOvate account with Apex, right? I think they're a little bit more expensive. They're probably why they're more expensive is because they're better than the other ones. Maybe, I don't know.
That's what I have as TradeOvate with Apex. I'm still having lag issues though with Replicano.
You are with the Replicano, but if you trade them
Yeah.
one-on-one, you're not, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
It's
so I
just a
think
slight delay. It's
Dan-
not like where it won't shut down, at least so far.
yeah, Daniel sent me a message yesterday that he did some research, and the message yesterday, I'll just pull it up. Daniel, you okay if I share this? So the message he sent me, this is what we're seeing. Arithmic and Replicano closing and lagging issues immediately abandons the accounts, and the reason why this is happening is Apex itself currently recommends clearing the NinjaTrader cache, blah blah blah, right? But the reason why it's happening is because NinjaTrader and the orders being closed on one side but not on the other. And nobody's going to take the blame for it. So Apex is going to say it's not our fault. It's it's your Replicano. Replicano is going to say no, it's Apex, and then Apex and Replicano can both say no, it's NinjaTrader, not us, right? So now you're caught up in this war of the only way you know is by getting into the servers and seeing who's doing what, and they're never going to give you that information. So, with that being said, and this not clearly working, it's a thumbs down for me now. Not if you want to copy 2 or 3 accounts per broker. So, guys, the people that I'm going to be focusing on, and you can use whoever you want, right? I have no say so in what you do. This is crazy. Look at this, man. It pulled right back to what? What did we just mark up, Miss Ann?
Yeah.
What did we just mark up?
Hawk.
And what did it just do?
It just retested it.
What do we have? Another swing low, right? But let's see if they chop it up, because we can go into another C here and breakthrough pop. Why? Because we're down here in these buyers. What's up, Daniel?
So I asked AI which the best accounts were to run Replicano, and number 1 was Lucid, number 2 was My Funded Futures, number 3 was Funded Next, next was Tradeify, and then number 5 was Top 1.
Yeah, and I got Funded Next, I got Lucid, I got TPT, and I got Tradeify. So I'm using all 4 of those brokers, and I just added Apex to it, and I got PAs in there now, and just like, if you can't make money off your PAs because you're getting lagged out or something's going on or accounts aren't closing. Guys, there's a short here.
Order filled.
Let's see if they can continue. I'm going to give it one more sweep of this low.
Target filled.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we sweep the low and get 2 out of this? Give me my 80 bucks right there. There it is. I just made $110. Can we get this last one? Oh my gosh, look at all my accounts green. Oh, I love it. I love it. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Sweep it. Sweep this box. You can come down here. I don't even care. I know you want this box down here. I just want you to take out this box right here. Sweep it and then you can bounce. Guys, I ain't going to make this risk-free. Come on, baby. Break. Today, buying the bounce and selling the rip works, right? Or selling, what is it? Buying the dip and selling the rip works. But a lot of times you buy the dip and you get ripped. And sometimes you buy the rip and you get dipped. So, we swept it. And I think I'm down too low. We just swept the box. We just swept it. We still got sellers here. I don't want to see them get absorbed. We're down here in the absorption. Buyers could go back to absorbing the sellers and this can turn positive. Still got 3 seconds. We just want to close lower. We got them. Don't give me a wick to the upside and then down. Just give me the straight down. Give me a straight down. I'm going to lock off some more of this profits, guys. I'm probably going to get taken out $40. That's okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I got my money. I just wanted to make a little bit of money. Mr. D. Always want to make a little bit of money. Or a lot of money. Alright guys, time's 9:35. I'm going to go ahead and call it the day. I'm going to walk away. Let me post these real fast. Take a screenshot here. This is coming down. I think we get my box down here eventually. Just have to see.
All right, I'm out. Have a good one.
Are you green?
Well, yeah, that last, not this last.
Oh, the one before the last one before this one?
Yeah, that was when I finally am back in the green and on that target. So I'm done. I ain't touching it anymore today.
Are you at target then?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it was pretty range bound.
I was at target earlier and I should have stopped and I didn't. So that's on me.
Yeah, the first 2 trades we took were great. They put us right in profit.
I was at 200 and I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll be able to make it to 300. Nope. I should have stopped.
Yeah. So here it is, guys. Right? Not too bad of a day, but again, choppy day, man. Range bound, chop, not going anywhere. So,
but green is green.
Green is green. You're right, Daniel. Green is green. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go eat some breakfast. I am hungry. My mental mindset is at play here. We traded a little bit longer than I like, but, I mean, how do you get out of this right here, right? We still absolutely have gone nowhere, okay? We've gone nowhere. So, we're still stuck between this high and this low down here. So, we've gone nowhere. This is not a breakout. This is a break of the inside range. So you have a macro range and a micro range. Right now we're breaking out of the micro going into the macro range. So this doesn't mean it's short, okay? Just think of this high, this low, this high, and then what we've been trading in the middle is garbage. Like, this is garbage. So just keep that in mind that this could be a pullback to get that extension out of here. Or this could be a pullback to get the extension down. You're in a 50-50 zone. Chop, chop, chop on a Thursday going into Friday. And it's MOWAC week. We got triple witching Friday tomorrow. So we may just hold this whole range. We may not go anywhere. Or we might come down and just stick our toes right in the water and then come right back up. So if you're trading, just be careful. Just know where you're at. That's why I'm telling you this, right? I don't want you to lose money if you don't have to. So, all right, guys. I'll catch you later. Have a beautiful day, guys. YouTube, as always, if you came in, guys, it's been an up and down game, but today we are gracefully green. If you hit that like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. I am a coder, guys. I build indicators that non-lag in the NT8 world. And they're just indicators that give you an idea of what the market's doing, right? Red candles, we're selling off. You got to sell here off of order flow. There's target 1 off that sell. So there's a lot of things at stake here, but anyways, I think I'm a lot smarter than my indicators sometimes, and they always make money, and I lose money when I don't follow them. So with that being said, if you hit that like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. And guys, we will see you in the morning. Have a beautiful day, guys. Love you. I'm out of here.